Hello students, in this video we will learn about the basic algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is basically a branch of mathematics, right? Using letters as we call variables, right? And symbols, right? And this is developed by Al-Khwarizmi. In this video we will solve few simplification questions based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The questions include in the beginning a little bit basic level and then in the end the intermediate level questions, right? Let's start. Now question number one. Question number one, students, it's simplify the following expressions. As in the class I told you what is the meaning of expressions, right? Expressions has like terms, right? If I'm going to say that expression and equation, the expression, for example, the expressions are like 3x plus 5 minus 2x. This is an expression, okay? So this expression has like trinomial, right? Because there are three terms in it. If we talk about equations, equation means the numbers which has left hand side and right hand side. Equation, you can also say that you need to find out the value of x, right? So the example for the equations are like 3x, right, equals to 5x plus 1. This is in the form of equations, right? Because it's equals to sign, and here is LHS and RHS, and we will learn in the next video, in the next new chapter about equations. Right now, the topic is like basic algebra related to the expressions here, okay? So let's solve a few questions. Question 1, the basic level question, right? Very important part in basic algebra that you need to know that terms supposed to be like, it must be like terms, right? Like terms means which has the same variable. Here let's talk about the parts of the terms. Here if it is written 3x, this is called coefficient, or you can say base as well, right? This is variables are letters, right? Variables are letters, alphabets, small alphabets. And this 2 is, as you know that, what is it called? It's called exponents or power, right? So here in this question, we have 3x plus x. X means 1, right? Every variable value is 1. If it's written a, so it means 1. If it's written a plus a, so it gives you 2a, right? Assume that this a is the initial of apple, right? Plus another apple. So it gives you 2 apples, right? So we cannot say 2 apples in algebra. We will use that for apple is a plus a. So a plus a, it's 2a, right? So here in this question, it's very easy. X means 1. It's hidden over here, right? We're not supposed to write on 1 because x itself means 1. So I'm erasing this one here, right? And answer is 3x plus x gives you 4x. That's it. Okay. Second question. If the question is 3x plus x squared. So do you think, students, that both are like terms? What like terms means that you need to observe the variables, right? So here we have x, right? Here we have x and here we have x squared. So they both are different terms. So they are unlike terms. So what is the answer for this question? The answer for this question is, the question itself is the answer, right? So 3x plus x squared, we cannot solve further here. Yes, we will do factorize, but right now in this video, we only learn basic algebra like simplification of like terms or unlike terms, right? Okay, now question 3, if we have pq plus 2pq minus 3q. So PQ doesn't mean its value 2. No, PQ itself is a one variable, right? One term. One term, right? One term. So PQ, base of the PQ is 1 here, right? The base of the PQ is, this base of the PQ is 1. And here is also PQ is 1 here. So in arithmetic questions, if I say what is 1 minus 1? So definitely you people know, miss, 1 minus 1 is 0. But in algebra, we cannot write down a 0. Then what we will do? See, here is PQ is in positive, plus is here, and PQ here is negative sign. So first negative sign will come and the variable come. The term come here, right? So the minus is the sign of the PQ. So here, what we need to do? We cannot write down 0. So what we do? Yes, what we supposed to do? We need to cut them. When we cut, we're not supposed to write down anything, 0 or nothing, no, not even 0 PQ. If you write 0 PQ means like PQ itself means 1, so how come 0 PQ? Right, so we just cut them, okay? Now, what is the answer? What we left here? We left with only 2 PQ, which has a positive sign, right? So this is the answer. Let's solve another question. Intermediate level of the question here, right? So now it's intermediate level, right? Okay, so the question is minus 2a, right, plus minus 5a plus c squared minus 12 plus 2c squared. See, there's a big question here, right? So how you solve this question, students? Step number one, keep this in your mind. BODMAS means bracket. Can you see here? The BODMAS here, the bracket, double sign, change the sign, right? So here minus 2a plus minus 5a plus c squared minus 12 plus 2c squared. Okay, what I have done in the very first step, I've opened it. I multiplied the sign. Now, what we need to do, second step, in plus and minus, we need to arrange the like terms. Like terms means which has the same variables. Variables means small alphabets, but we cannot say in algebra alphabets, we will say variables, right? So here we have minus 2a. So I'm writing here minus 2a. Okay. Once you will copy the terms in the next line, it's better to tick mark it, right? It will help you out. Okay, minus 2a, you have copied it. Now another term also minus, a, so it is minus 5a. Let's check, do we have another a? No, we don't have it. Okay, now now the turn is for the c square. Okay, do we have logic market? Now, do we have another c square? Yes, we do. So, plus 2c square, right? And then we left with only minus 12. The minus 12 doesn't have any, it's the same partner, you can say that. It's only minus 12 here, right? Okay. Now, what we need to do? We need to simplify. So, always simplify in pairs, right? Let me take another. So minus minus, right? Minus minus plus, and AA, like A, both are same, right? So minus minus plus, 5 plus 2 is 7, minus 7A, right? Now another term, it's this one, okay? Plus here and plus here, plus plus plus, 2c square and c square. C square means 1c square. That gives you 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And we'll take c square common. Okay. Now the another number, what's another number? It's only minus 12. That's it, minus 12. So this all terms are different variables. We cannot further solve. Again, I'm repeating that like terms, very, very important in basic algebra, simplification of addition and subtraction, right? So this is the answer. Okay, intermediate level we have done. Now let's solve multiplication and division. Okay. Students, what I'm going to do that multiplication and division, I will make the video next time, right? So till here, I hope that students, you people will understand about simplification, right? Thank you. Take care. Bye.